Nakakuha ang PNP-10 ng 94.5% satisfaction rating sa isinagawang Trust, Respect, Safety and Security and Public Satisfaction on Police Service Survey sa PNP Police Regional Office 10.
The client satisfaction survey in terms of safety, security, as well as respect and trust towards the men and women of this Police Regional Office 10. Once again, I welcome you all to the home of your Ligalang Police, always at your service. Thank you, and let us work together for the continuous improvement of our police service.
Pinangunahan ni Minda Chief of Public Relations, Dr. Adrian Tamayo, ang nasabing survey.
Pro-10 continues to enjoy a combination of very high public trust, safety, and security. The PRO's strength is on its security. All other sources are saying, magulo pa daw sa Mindanao. But we already have proven, hindi magulo ang Mindanao. Hindi magulo ang Northern Mindanao. So we have to tell this, we have to flood the internet, we have to flood the news, we have to flood broadcasting waves that Northern Mindanao is safe, because that is what is true. That is what is factual, and that is what is felt by the people here in Northern Mindanao.
Spirit po at napakataas ng moral ng ating kapulisan dito sa Police Regional Office 10 dahil po sa paglabas ng survey na ikinandak ng Mindanao Development Authority for the first semester, kung saan nagkandak sila ng survey sa trust, respect, security, safety at satisfaction ng ating mamamayan dito sa Northern Mindanao. For the first quarter and second quarter for calendar year 2024, kung ating makikita ang resulta ng nasabing survey is mataas talaga. Kung makita natin sa satisfaction, around 94% plus yung satisfaction rating. Pakita din po ito ng ating commitment to strive more, to improve ourselves more, lalo-lalo na sa mga serbisyo na ating ibinibigay sa ating mamamayan po dito sa Northern Mindanao.
Mula dito sa Hilagang Mindanao, ako ang inyong Police News Network correspondent, Patrolwoman Danessa Berdos, alagad ng batas, taga-taguyod ng Balitang Pulis.